So the first question is x of t equal to sine pi t by capital T for the duration minus t to capital T and 0 other way, that is between minus t and capital T it is sine pi t by t and 0 other ways, and they are asked to find out odd and even components. So in order to find the odd and even components we need x of t and x of minus t. So let's find out. Sorry, this is not the question. Find whether it is even or odd signal. Whether it is even signal or whether it is odd signal, that is the question. So we have to find out x of minus t. If it is an even signal, x of minus t will be equal to x of t. If it is an odd signal, x of minus t will be equal to minus x of t. So x of minus t is equal to sine of minus pi small t by capital T for minus t less than or equal to t less than or equal to capital T and 0 otherwise. Now sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, that we all know. So then it is equal to minus sine minus pi t by capital T for the duration minus t less than or equal to capital T and 0 otherwise. That is x of minus t equal to minus sine pi t by capital T. This can be written as minus x of t because x of t equal to sine pi t by t and x of minus t equal to minus sine pi t by t, that is minus of x of t. So it can be written as an odd, this can be considered as an odd signal. And the next question is find even and odd components of x of t equal to e raised to j t. So in order to find even and odd components we need x of t and x of minus t. X of t equal to e raised to jt and x of minus t equal to e raised to minus jt. So x even of t equal to x of t plus x of minus t by 2. Then x of t equal to e raised to jt plus x of minus t equal to e raised to minus jt by 2. Now we know that e raised to j theta is equal to cos theta plus j sin theta and e raised to minus j theta is equal to cos theta minus j sin theta. Then x even of t is equal to e raised to jt can be written as cos t plus j sin t plus x of minus t can be written as e raised to minus jt, which is equal to cos t minus j sin t by 2. Then these will cancel out and the result will be cos t. Similarly, x odd of t equal to x of t minus x of minus t by 2. This can be written as e raised to jt minus e raised to minus jt by 2, which is equal to cos t plus j sin t minus cos t minus j sin t, which will be equal to 2j sin t. This is j sin t minus of minus j sin t equal to j sin t. So which is equal to 2j sin t divided by 2, which is equal to j sin t. This is the even component and this is the odd component. In similar way we can find different signals even and odd components. So the next question is find the odd and even components of x of t equal to cos t plus sin t plus sin t cos t. In order to find even and odd components, we need x of minus t. So which is equal to cos minus t plus sine minus t plus sine of minus t into cos of minus t. And we already know that sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta, and cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. Then we can write x of minus t as cos t minus sine t. Now this is minus sine t and it will be cos t. So it is equal to minus sine t cos t. Then x even of t is equal to x of t plus x of minus t by 2, where x of t and x of t, we know x of t equal to cos t plus sin t plus sin t cos t, and x of minus t is equal to cos t minus sin t minus sin t cos t divided by 2. Now this sin t and minus sin t will get cancel out, and this is sin t cos t and this is minus sin t cos t. So it is equal to 2 cos t. This is one cos t and this is another one. So it is equal to 2 cos t by 2, which is equal to cos t. Similarly, we can find odd function x of t equal to x of t minus x of minus t by 2, which is equal to cos t plus sin t plus sin t cos t minus cos t minus sin t minus sin t cos t by 2. So cos t and cos t will cancel out. Then we will get sin t and minus of minus sin t, that is sin t. So 2 sin t plus 2 sin t cos t by 2, which is equal to sin t plus sin t cos t. This is another example. Similarly, we can find the even and odd components of any given signal. So the next question is to find the odd and even components of x of t equal to e raised to minus 2t cos t. This is the next question. So of course, to find even and odd components, we have to find out x of minus t, that is t should be replaced with minus t. Then e raised to minus 2t will become e raised to 2t, and cos t will become cos of minus t. Cos of minus t is equal to cos t. So sin of minus t equal to minus sin t and cos of minus t equal to cos t. Now even component x even of t is equal to, the equation is x of t plus x of minus t by 2. Then it should be equal to e raised to minus 2t cos t plus e raised to 2t cos t by 2. This will become equal to, we can take cos t as common, cos t into e raised to minus 2t plus e raised to 2t by 2. Now, what is e raised to minus 2t plus e raised to 2t by 2? അതായത് e raised to theta plus e raised to minus theta by 2 is equal to cos theta. That you should know. That so it is equal to cos t into cos 2t. You should know the equation e raised to minus theta plus e raised to theta by 2 is equal to cos theta. Also, in an earlier problem we discussed it, e raised to j theta equal to cos theta plus j sin theta by 2, and e raised to minus j theta equal to cos theta minus sin theta by 2. അത് നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ കണ്ടതാണത്. അങ്ങനത്തെ ഇക്വേഷൻസ് ജസ്റ്റ് നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക, എവിടെയെങ്കിലും സെപ്പറേറ്റ് നോട്ട് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കുക. സോ ഹിയർ ഇ റേസ് ടു മൈനസ് തീറ്റ പ്ലസ് ഇ റേസ് ടു തീറ്റ ബൈ 2 ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു കോസ് തീറ്റ. Now we have to find out the odd component. Now x odd of t is equal to odd component in the equation and x of t equal to x of t minus x of minus t by 2, that we know. Then it is equal to e raised to minus 2t cos t minus e raised to 2t cos minus t by 2. Cos of minus t equal to cos t itself. So x of t minus x of minus t by 2, which is equal to, we can take cos t into e raised to minus 2t minus e raised to 2t by 2. Now we should know that e raised to theta minus e raised to minus theta by 2 is equal to sin theta. E raised to theta plus e raised to minus theta by 2 is equal to cos theta, and when it is the minus, it is sin theta. So here we can take the minus sign, minus cos t into e raised to 2t minus e raised to minus 2t by 2. Now it is in the form e raised to theta minus e raised to minus theta by 2, which is equal to sin theta. So we can write minus cos t into sin, here theta is equal to 2t, sin 2t. Similarly, you can find the values of even and odd components of different signals. ഏത് സിഗ്നൽ തന്നാലും അത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനായിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കുക. Now do these 3 problems as homework as your own, and I will tell you how to submit this answer. ഇതെങ്ങനെയാണ് സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെന്നുള്ള ഞാൻ പറയാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, എല്ലാ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ എന്ത് തന്നെയാണ്, ഫൈൻഡ് ദ ഈവൻ ആൻഡ് ഓഡ് കമ്പോണൻസ് ഓഫ് ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ എക്സ് ഓഫ് ടി ഈക്വൽ ടു 1 പ്ലസ് ടി പ്ലസ് 3t square plus 5t cube plus 9t raised to 4. Second one, x of t equal to 1 plus t cos t plus t square sin t plus t cube sin t cos t. And third question is 1 plus t cube into cos cube 10t. In all cases, find x of minus t and substitute the equation for even component and odd component. So do these 3 problems, and while referring to the textbook you can see another questions also to find even and odd components. So the next signal is periodic and non-periodic signal. So what is periodic signal? So periodic signal is a signal which will repeat after a certain interval of time. For example, let us see a signal like this. Here the signal, here this signal is repeating every time. After each cycle the same signal is repeating, that is if this is the duration of 1 second, after every 1 second the same signal is repeating. So you can see this signal is repeating after every 1 second. Then such a signal is known as periodic signal. Here also the negative half cycle also this will happen. So for every 1 second this signal is repeating. Such a signal which will repeat after certain interval of time is known as a periodic signal, which can be represented as if a signal x of t and x of t plus t equal to x of t for all values of t. Such signal is known as periodic signal. That is, if the signal is represented as x of t and for every t second this will repeat, that is x of t plus t. If this is x of t and this is capital T, this 1 second is capital T, after every t the signal is the same. If this is x of t, this is also x of t, that is after every 1 second this x of t is repeating. Then this t is known as its or time period. So for every time period t the signal is repeating, then the signal is known as periodic. അതായത് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു പർട്ടിക്കുലർ ടൈം പീരീഡ് കഴിയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും സിഗ്നൽ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അതിന് എന്തെന്ന് പറയും, പീരിയോഡിക് സിഗ്നൽ എന്ന് പറയും. വിച്ച് ക്യാൻ ബി ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ബൈ എക്സ് ഓഫ് ടി പ്ലസ് ടി ഈക്വൽ ടു എക്സ് ഓഫ് ടി വേർ ടി ഈസ് നോൺ as time period, and this value of t should be non-zero and it should be a positive value. The time period t should be a non-zero value and it should be a positive for every value of t, where small t varies between minus infinity to infinity. That is, അതായത് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത് ഇത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ, ഏത് ടി എക്സ് ഓഫ് ടിയിൽ ഏത് വാല്യൂ കൊടുത്താലും എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, ഈ ഒരു ടൈം പീരീഡിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, അത് റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. ബട്ട് ദിസ് പീരിയോഡിസിറ്റി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ടൈം പീരീഡ് ടി ഷുഡ് ബി നോൺ സീറോ ആൻഡ് പോസിറ്റീവ്. അത് ഒരിക്കലും സീറോ ആകാൻ പാടില്ല, ഒരു നെഗറ്റീവ് വാല്യൂ ആകാനായിട്ട് പാടില്ല. ദെൻ വി ക്യാൻ സേ ദാറ്റ് ദ സിഗ്നൽ ഈസ് പീരിയോഡിക്. Now let us consider a sine wave. This is a sine wave, this is time duration and this is x of t. As you can see, the signal of one cycle for a duration t, the signal will repeat. Sine wave ingane povana, so this signal will repeat every time. Now we can say in another way, if we are considering this 2 cycle as one signal, let us, this is t1, then also we can say that for every t1 second this is repeating. അങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം പറയാം, കാരണം ഈ ഒരു 2 സൈക്കിൾ എപ്പോഴും എന്ത് ചെയ്യുവാണ്, റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുവാണെന്ന് പറയാം. ഇനി 3 സൈക്കിൾ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്താൽ എനിക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, ഈ സെയിം കേസ് പറയാനായിട്ട് പറ്റും. സോ here we can say the time period may be this is t0, this time period may be t0 or time period may be t1 or etc t2. അങ്ങനെ കുറേ വാല്യൂസ് എനിക്ക് പറയാൻ പറ്റുവാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ where the smallest value of t is considered as time period. So നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞത് എന്താ, if a signal is repeating after a certain interval of time it can be considered as a periodic signal, and if it is repeating for a time period of t, the value of t should be positive and non-zero value, then t is known as time period. And if we can write the time period as t0, t1, t2 etc, then the smallest value should be the time period. Or we can say that the one cycle is of duration t. Sine wave consider ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും ഇതാണ് ശരിക്കും നമ്മൾ പറയുന്ന one full cycle. So this is the time period. So for a periodic signal, the time period t is the time for one full cycle. So one full cycle will be completed during one time period. Then we can find the fundamental frequency f can be find out as 1 by t. നമുക്കല്ലെങ്കിൽ അറിയാം frequency is equal to 1 by time period. Then the fundamental frequency is equal to f equal to 1 by t. So this is the equation for fundamental frequency or fundamental frequency of periodic signal x of t. Then we know that angular frequency omega is equal to 2 pi f. Then this f can be written as 1 by t. So that is equal to 2 pi by t. ഇതൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഓൾറെഡി അറിയുന്ന ഇക്വേഷനാണ്. ജസ്റ്റ് ഞാൻ അതിനോട്ട് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കാണിച്ചു എന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. സോ എ പീരിയോഡിക് സിഗ്നൽ ഈസ് എ സിഗ്നൽ വിച്ച് വിൽ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ഫോർ എവറി ടൈം ഡ്യൂറേഷൻ t. Then what will be a non-periodic signal? A non-periodic signal is one which will not repeat for a particular time period. That is x of t not equal to x of t plus capital T not equal to x of t. That is there is no value of t for which the signal repeat. Such a signal is known as non-periodic signal. And the same will be applicable for discrete time signal also. This is for continuous time signal. And for a discrete time signal, if it will be periodic, then x of small n plus time period capital N is equal to x of n. And for a non-periodic discrete time signal, x of n plus capital N not is equal to x of n. So similarly we can define എല്ലാ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസും നമ്മൾ ഇത്രയും പറഞ്ഞ എല്ലാ സിഗ്നൽസിനും എനിക്ക് എന്ത് പറയാം, we can say in continuous time and discrete time. So for a discrete time signal, x of n plus capital N is equal to x of n for periodic signal, and for non-periodic signal x of n plus capital N not equal to x of n. Now we can see some examples for periodic signal. As I already said, this is a sine wave which is a periodic signal, and for a cosine wave also, that is periodic signal. That is up to this time this will repeat for every omega equal to 2 pi. ഒരു 2 പൈയിൽ അത് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. Or we can draw another example like this. This is also a repeating signal. Or we can say a signal like this. This is also a periodic signal for every time duration capital T. Now let's see what is example for non-periodic. If we draw a signal like this, here the signal x of t exists only for this much duration. That is, the signal is not repeating. Such signals are called non-periodic signal. Or otherwise, if we are plotting the temperature of a particular person which is varying randomly, then we can say it is also non-periodic signal. Or if we are plotting any other parameters or any other measurement which is not repeating, then we can say that is non-periodic signal. Now we have to find the periodicity of certain signal. That is, for what duration of capital T or capital N the signal repeating. For first as an example, let's see question. X of t is given as sine . 1 × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10⁻⁴ × 10 omega 0 t. This is the signal. Find fundamental time period. Find the fundamental time period of the given signal. So according to the equation, x of t plus time period t should be equal to x of t. This is x of t. Then we can find x of t plus t. That is sine omega 0 into t plus capital T should be equal to x of t. That is equal to sine omega 0 t. Now we have to find for what. Now this can be written as sine omega 0 t plus omega 0 capital T should be equal to sine omega 0 t. Now we can consider for what value of omega 0 into t the signal will be equal to sine omega 0 t. And we already know that every sine wave and cosine wave are periodic with a for a time duration of 2 pi. That is, sine wave and cosine wave will complete one full cycle for 2 pi. That is, after every 2 pi time duration, this will repeat. That is, sine omega 0 t plus 2 pi is equal to sine omega 0 t. That is, omega 0 into capital T is equal to 2 pi. That is, if this is x of t, the same signal will repeat after 2 pi. This is 2 pi duration. This is pi by 2. This is pi, and again this is pi by 2. So pi by 2 plus pi by 2, that is 2 pi. So this should be equal to 2 pi in order to get the same sine omega 0 t. Then omega 0 into t equal to 2 pi. That is, capital T is equal to 2 pi by omega 0. So this is the time duration. Otherwise, you should remember that sine of theta plus 2 pi is equal to sine theta. For every sine theta, after 2 pi duration, the signal will repeat. അതെപ്പോഴും അറിഞ്ഞേക്കാം. This is applicable for sine signal and cosine signal. So the next question is, find the fundamental time period of x of t is equal to e raised to j into omega 0. So according to the equation, we know that x of t plus capital T should be equal to x of t. That is, e raised to j into omega 0 into t plus capital T should be equal to e raised to j omega 0 t. That is, this can be written as e raised to j omega 0 into t into e raised to j into omega 0 capital T, and it should be equal to e raised to j omega 0 t. From this will be equal to this the right side only if e raised to j omega 0 capital T is equal to 1. That is, e raised to j omega 0 capital T equal to should be equal to 1. Now e raised to j theta is equal to cos theta plus j sin theta. ഇതറിയുന്ന കാര്യമായിരിക്കും. എനിവേ ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഒത്തിരി ഇനിയും വരും. അതായത് ഇ റേസ് ടു ജെ തീറ്റ, ഇ റേസ് ടു തീറ്റ, ഇ റേസ് ടു തീറ്റ പ്ലസ് ഇ റേസ് ടു മൈനസ് തീറ്റ ബൈ 2, അങ്ങനത്തെ ഇക്വേഷൻസ് എല്ലാം ഓർത്ത് വെച്ചേക്കാം. സോ ഇ റേസ് ടു ജെ തീറ്റ ഈക്വൽ ടു കോസ് തീറ്റ പ്ലസ് ജെ സൈൻ തീറ്റ. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വി ക്യാൻ റിട്ടൺ ആസ് കോസ് ഒമേഗ 0 t0 പ്ലസ് ജെ സൈൻ omega 0 t0 is equal to 1. Now the maximum value of cos theta is 1 and maximum value of sin theta is also 1. നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം sin theta and cos theta will vary between +1 and -1. That is, it's in both case sine wave and cosine wave, maximum value is +1 and minimum value is -1. So cos theta plus j sin theta is equal to 1 only if one of the signal is 0. ഇതിലേതെങ്കിലും ഒരെണ്ണം 0 ആകുമ്പോഴാണ് രണ്ടും കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് കിട്ടത്തുള്ളൂ? 1 കിട്ടത്തുള്ളൂ. കാരണം ഇതിൻ്റെ മാക്സിമം വാല്യൂ 1 ആണ്, ഇതിൻ്റെ മാക്സിമം വാല്യൂ 1 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുകയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിലും, ഇനി അല്ലാത്ത കേസിൽ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുകയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിലും ബോത്ത് സിഗ്നൽസ് ആർ പീരിയോഡിക് വിത്ത് എ ടൈം ഡ്യൂറേഷൻ ഓഫ് 2π. സോ അങ്ങനെ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുകയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ omega 0 t0 should be equal to, sorry, not t0 t, omega 0 t is equal to 2π. That is t equal to 2π by omega 0. Now നമുക്ക് രണ്ട് രീതിയിൽ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ചെയ്തൊരു 3 പ്രോബ്ലം വെച്ചിട്ട് നമുക്ക് നോക്കുവാണെങ്കിൽ, ഇൻ കേസ് ഓഫ് സൈൻ വേവ്, ഇൻ കേസ് ഓഫ് കൊസൈൻ വേവ് and in case of exponential signal also the time duration is 2π. ഇത് ഏത് പ്രോബ്ലത്തിലാണെങ്കിലും ഇങ്ങനെ വരത്തുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ അത് ഓർത്ത് വെച്ചേക്കാം. ഇഫ് ദ പ്രോബ്ലം ഈസ് ഓഫ് സൈൻ സിഗ്നൽ or cosine signal or exponential signal, the fundamental time period is 2π in general. ജനറൽ കേസിൽ നമുക്ക് അങ്ങനെയാണ് വരിക.